Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Adobe. Figma is a powerful, web-based design tool known for its real-time collaboration. Adobe, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive suite of applications like XD, Photoshop, and Illustrator, each specializing in different design aspects. We'll explore how Figma's accessibility and collaborative nature stack up against Adobe's extensive ecosystem and specialized tools, helping you decide which platform best suits your creative workflow and team needs. When it comes to teamwork, Figma truly shines, allowing multiple users to edit the same file simultaneously, fostering seamless real-time collaboration. Adobe's approach often involves file sharing and cloud syncing, which can be less immediate. Furthermore, Figma is browser-based, meaning you can access it from virtually any device with an internet connection, while Adobe typically requires dedicated desktop installations for its powerful applications. Figma provides robust features for prototyping, creating design systems, and streamlining developer handoff, all within a single, unified environment. Adobe, however, offers a much broader creative ecosystem, with specialized tools like Photoshop for intricate image manipulation and Illustrator for precise vector graphics. While Figma extends its capabilities through a growing plugin community, Adobe Creative Cloud boasts deep integration across its many industry-standard applications. Considering cost, Figma offers a very generous free tier, perfect for individuals and small projects, alongside scalable paid plans for larger teams. Adobe Creative Cloud operates on a subscription model, often bundling several applications, which can be a significant investment. Figma is a favorite among startups and product teams valuing speed and collaboration, whereas Adobe continues to be the go-to choice for a wide array of creative professionals and large enterprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.